children. I am Mrs. Jose. I hope all is well with you and your family. Today I am going to explain chapter 4, Weather and Climate. So let's move around the world to find more about weather and climate. Look at this picture, children. Have you ever thought why people live in different types of houses or eat a variety of food or wear different kinds of clothes? The reason behind this question is due to the different climatic conditions in various parts of the world. Difference between weather and climate. Weather is a short-term variation in atmosphere. For example, weather was good yesterday, whereas weather conditions over a long period of time is known as climate. For example, climate change has become a burning issue worldwide. The basic factors that determine weather are temperature, wind, precipitation, cloudiness, atmospheric pressure, and humidity. We often describe weather as sunny, warm, cloudy, rainy, or cold. Factors that determine the climate of a place are latitude, altitude, winds, distance from the sea, humidity, and ocean currents. Latitude. Look at this globe, children. Places near the equator are hotter than places far away from the equator. Do you know the reason? The sun rays fall vertically over the small area of the equator. And in the polar region, the sun rays fall slanting and spread over a large area. Hence, the places near the equator are hotter. Altitude. It is the height above the sea level. Have you ever thought, why is it cold in the high mountains? It is because the temperature falls with the height gained. The higher we go, the cooler it becomes. Wind. Winds coming from the hot areas increase the temperature of the place they blow to. Winds coming from the cold areas lower the temperature of the place they blow to. Ocean currents. Oceans have warm and cold currents. Warm ocean currents make the land warmer and cold ocean currents make the area cool. Distance from the sea. Children, places situated near the coast are neither too hot nor too cold. The reason for this is land breeze and sea breeze. Children, now we will learn about sea breeze and land breeze. A wind blowing from sea to the land during afternoon is known as sea breeze. A wind blowing from land to the sea at night is known as land breeze. Humidity. The amount of water vapor in the air is called humidity. Coastal areas are very humid since the winds blowing from the sea bring a lot of moisture with it. The last topic of our chapter is heat zones of the earth. Depending upon the amount of heat received, the earth can be divided into 3 zones: torrid zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone. The region lying between The Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is called torrid zone. This zone gets the direct rays of the sun. Hence, the climate in this region is hot and humid. Temperate zone lies between the torrid zone and the frigid zone in both the hemispheres. The climate in this region is neither hot nor very cold. Frigid zone lies between the Arctic Circle and North Pole and between the Antarctic Circle and South Pole. The climate of this area is very cold. Children, I hope you understood this chapter. Study well and be happy always.